Hey guys, what's up? It's Nicole Elise. Thank you much. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Nicole Elise here. So today we are going to be doing a YouTube video all about Asian skincare. I actually grew up in Singapore, if you guys didn't know that. If you did, then you've been subscribed to me for a while. But I grew up in Asia and I pretty much wanted everything that was foreign. Like everything I wanted there, I wanted from here. And now that I live here, I want everything from Asia. So now that I live in the US, I'm trying to like really dabble into Asian skincare. I just think it's evolved so much in like the past couple years since I left Asia, and I just have heard so much about Asian skincare, and I'm so sad I didn't really ever get to try it while I was over there. Like, I was there for 18 years. What the heck was I doing? But then again, I wasn't that into skincare as I am now, especially now that I'm getting older. The other thing that I had a hard time dealing with trying to find Asian skincare, a lot of places don't have it. I think US companies and stores are starting to like slowly bring stuff in. They can be kind of hard to find, but I am an online shopper. Then I found yesstyle. They reached out to me and I looked them up and I realized that they were one of the biggest retail markets for Asian skincare. And I think they saw on my Instagram recently that I talked about how I wanted to try a bunch of Asian skincare and especially Korean skincare. So they reached out to me and I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. So today's video is sponsored by yesstyle. So thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna be showing you guys basically an unboxing of stuff that I picked out from the yesstyle website, and also some of these things I have tried out. Some of these things I haven't, so definitely stay tuned and check out my Instagram to see my overall thoughts on some of these products I haven't tried. I don't even know the last time I did like a haul slash unboxing, but let me know if you guys like these types of unboxing videos and I'll do them all the time. Let's just go ahead and get started. One of the things that I picked out from yesstyle was, this is from a brand called Peripera, and it's the lip tint, but I believe that you can actually use these on your cheeks as well. Oh, I guess it's only for your lip. I thought for some reason you could use these on your lips, and I got them in 3 different shades. This is the color Red Only. Is that what it's called? It's a velvet lip color, so you can pretty much like still be comfortable with it. It's not super matte, so it's not drying out your lips. I also got this color, which is in number 4. Which is like a corally color, also so stunning. And then I got so many different things just because I really wanted to get a good review on a lot of these products. The lighting's kind of changing because I don't know. This one is the Klairs Fundamental Mist, and it's the nutrient rich mist, deep hydration, dewy complexion, vegan friendly and cruelty free. But I love mists. I've been trying out so many different mists. I wanted to try something that I think would work for everybody, and I thought I would try this one on camera with you guys because it's just a mist, so I could just, you know, refresh my makeup with this. Here. It's so refreshing. Oh girl, this is nice. Oh my God, you guys, look how dewy I am. Wow, this is really good. This isn't leaving any, I almost feel like it's like too much. Did I apply way too much? I look so dewy. Oh my God. Hey, so this definitely absolute yes, yes, yes. But now for some more skincare. This is the Centella Aqua Soothing Ampoule. Ampoule? I can't figure out how to say this word.
Ampule.
Ampule. So this is the Centella Aqua Soothing Ampoule. I just learned about this word, okay, because I had no idea how to say this. This is a soothing and hydrating serum. I love serums, and by the way, this is from the brand called COSRX. I'll leave everything down below as per usual. I like being able to kind of layer on serums at night. I'm a very big serum girl. I love just applying these, layering them, and also oils are like, and it's glass too, so this is very luxe. The next thing, which I haven't tried yet, but I am excited to try this out because it is I'll just tell you what it is. It's the Mandelic Acid 5% Skin Prep Water. So I think this is gonna be a really great product in general because I want to use this before I do like event makeup. Mandelic acid is in a lot of anti-aging skincare products, and what it basically does is it turns over any type of cells that are holding skin together, which are creating fine lines. Mandelic acid goes in and basically sheds out any of the dead skin cells, basically giving you like a new complexion and just glow, and just sort of getting rid of those like fine lines and just dull skin. So I'm excited to try this. I've heard so much about Laneige. I used to actually see this all the time in Singapore at stores. I started seeing a lot of people using this, and so I was like, okay girl, let me try it. And it smells like a fruity smoothie. I don't know, so amazing. But this is the lip sleeping mask, and oh, it's supposed to smell like berry apparently. But I love using this just as my regular lip balm. It's like, I was just in Chicago not that long ago, and the weather tore my lips apart, and then when I got back to San Diego, it was just dry. I'm just like going through some weird weather right now, and I apply this literally every single night, and I'm not kidding you. I love a lot of different lip balms, but this one, for some reason, it's a mask, so it's a lot more potent. It's gonna hold a lot more hydration to the skin, and it's very thick, which I love, and it just goes on so nicely at night. When you wake up in the morning, your lips are like so new. This is amazing, and especially if you exfoliate your lips and then use this, oh my god, it is so amazing. Okay, the next Laneige product that I picked up was the water sleeping mask. I feel like I have tried this. I think I tried this when I was pregnant. I'm pretty sure this bottle just, it's very familiar to me for some reason. I don't know why. I used this the other night, and it really did help with my hydration, and I love that it goes on clear, so I can go to sleep and it kind of sinks in, sort of like a thick lotion, if you will. Love how this feels. It's very soothing, very cooling, gel-like, as you guys can see here. I'm not the kind of person that can go to sleep without anything on my face. I have to put some sort of moisturizer, cream or oil or something, because your skin dries out so much in the night and you don't even realize it. So using a mask is sometimes nice to do, because I feel like a lot of the time when people think of masks, they think of like putting a mask on and then washing it off like 30 minutes later, an hour later, whereas this, you could literally sleep in it for like 7 to 8 hours, and it doesn't get all over your pillow. It sinks into your skin, and you don't have to wash it in the morning. So love this. One of the things that I'm so excited to try, I'm leaving to Texas tomorrow, and I'm bringing these with me because I think my mom and I are gonna have to try these. These are the PETITFEE neck pack for firming and silky smooth neck. So this is literally a mask for your neck. Think of like a sheet mask, but for your neck. If you don't realize how many lines we're all gonna have by the time we're like 80, you're crazy. Like, this motion is happening all the time. We're always looking down at our phone, and when we're in bed looking at our phones, like, we're just like this more in life, and so we're creating a lot of wrinkles there. So I love the idea of doing some sort of mask, and literally look at the picture. So I am really excited to try this bad boy out. This I found really interesting. I had no idea what this meant, but when I saw this, I was like, This is the GPS mask, and it's the Home Spa Kit 3-step. And I guess they call it the GPS mask because you can basically get a skin solution wherever you are, I think is what they're trying to say. But it literally just comes with one of these packets, and this is the cleanser. This is the mask. I believe it's just like a sheet mask. And then this is the Cell Energy Cream. And I'm excited to try this. I like having these types of masks, like sheet masks, in my drawer because I have a whole like basket of just all types of sheet masks. And they're so fun. And if you have your girlfriends over and whatnot, like you can find masks for everyone and like put them on. It's just fun to do like little mask party. And so this is the other thing I got, and it's the Pyunkang. I said that kind of like with my Malay accent or my Singlish accent. Pyunkang. Pyunkang. When you look at it on the screen, it says cosmetics were meant to be brewed, not bought. And I was like, made me think a little bit, but I liked it and it caught my eye. So I was like, all right, let's try this out. And this is the Essence Toner, the Nutrition Cream, and the Moisture Serum. So I thought this was really nice. I think I'm gonna give this to my mom because she likes skincare as well, and she also loves Asian skincare too. Literally, like, this thing is heavy. You get like this huge jar of 100 ml of the nutrition cream. Gosh, I love the way they name things. No scent, nothing, like no fragrance. I'm pretty sure this is like the clean brand. Pyunkang removed all the unnecessary ingredients and strictly kept only the necessary ones. So that's actually really refreshing. I mean, to think about the fact that there are a lot of skincare brands out there and everyone's like, oh my god, it smells so good. Not that I don't feel that way, because I love the way things smell, but sometimes, especially for people who have super sensitive skin, I don't have crazy sensitive skin. Now that I think about it, I feel like my boyfriend could really benefit from this set. Maybe I'll give this to him. Sorry, Mom. Mike's getting this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that concludes my little unboxing mini review on Korean skincare. I did, of course, have a little bit of high hopes just because I know that Asian skincare has this like big embodiment in the skincare like world, and so they are like literally, like I said, the mecca of skincare. I feel like in terms of being really innovative, I feel like a lot of like Western brands have definitely learned and been inspired and also like replicated some of the skincare things that a lot of the Asians in skincare have pioneered for themselves and just have been doing for so long. So I am super happy that I got to do this and share with you guys some things that I picked up. And like I said, yesstyle will be linked for you guys down below. They are like one of the biggest retailers for Korean and Asian skincare brands, so check it out. But I want to wish you guys a very happy new year if I don't see you then. Hope you guys have a wonderful new year, and I'll see you next year. Bye.